How to delete saved passwords on Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete saved passwords on Chrome. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for passwords.google.com. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your saved passwords. So go ahead and tap on the website whose password you want to delete and further enter the password for your Google account firstly. You will then be able to view your password and your username of that particular website. So if you want to view your password before deleting, then you can tap on the eye like icon to view your password. Now, to delete, tap on the delete button in the pop-up that appears now. Tap on delete again, and with this, the saved password for that website will be deleted. Also, make sure that even if you delete your saved username and password, your account will remain as it is and will not be affected. So this is how you can delete saved passwords on Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.